Recently, I came across statistics that said that for a mid-size or an enterprise company, a new employee joining such companies has access to 5 million documents on day one of joining. Just think about that for a second. That has huge data security implications. As an organization, what you might want to do is to understand what type of documents do you have, who has access to those documents, and with whom have these documents been shared, perhaps internally or externally of your organization. The first step in doing that level of data governance is to label your entire document state and infrastructure according to your policies and principles. As an example, let's say you have a policy that says that any document that contains a patient name, presumably you're a healthcare organization, should be labeled as sensitive. If a document contains a patient name and an address, perhaps it should be labeled as restricted. And if a document contains patient name, address, and a credit card or a social security number, then it should be labeled as confidential. Now, these are simple policies that you can specify. You can also specify more complex policies within LightBeam. What LightBeam does is it looks at these policies that you have, and then as it goes and scans millions and millions of your documents, and if it detects a document that contains a name, an SSN, an address, and a credit card, it will automatically label that document as confidential. Note that the labeling does not alter the content of this document. The document stays as is. It is just enriching the metadata of this document.